one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. This is a video response to my buddy James over at James G Adventures. Alright, get rid of the view screen. He did a video the other day making an omelet, so I thought I'd poke a little fun at him and make one as well. And then also, I got the idea driving home from the woods yesterday to do the Show Us Your Omelet Challenge. So I've got some bacon cooking. I'm going to cut up some ham for the omelet and then show you how I make it. Yeah, I use tongs at home too. Alrighty, so first of all, you never want to cut meat on a plate. You always want to use a cutting board. Invest in a good knife. This is a Henkel's. Got it at a culinary store. Worth the money. Probably enough there. Going to cook my ham up in a skillet. There you go. Let it drain. Alright. This is unsalted butter. And make sure you get the pan coated well. This is just a 2-egg omelet. And again. Add a little pepper to mine. Got the jumping ham over here. What I like to do is I like to lift the edges of my omelet up and drain the liquid underneath. Just like that. Just keep lifting it and draining it down. Now, some people like to sit there and scramble the middle. I don't really like to do that. Omelet gets to about this point. Give it a flip. And kill the heat, because you don't need the heat anymore, because there's enough heat in the pan to There's enough heat in the pan to finish cooking it. And add your, yeah, the stupid fire smoke detector went off. It's way too damn sensitive. Chop up your bacon, put it inside, get yourself a plate, and then I just pull the onion or omelet out. Which I guess you can't see. Top with more cheese. Add a couple of biscuits. I like to add a little salsa to mine as well. There you go. If you're wondering why my salsa's not very chunky, it's because I actually poured the jar into a blender and I just blend it smooth. A couple extra pieces of bacon. Like there. Butter on the biscuits. And there you go. And there you have one omelet with biscuits. Well, it was certainly delicious. Good lunch. Of course, all the links for James' channel will be down below. I'm not going to tag anybody, but if you want to do the Show Us Your Egg Challenge, feel free to do so. Poke some fun at me. It's cool. Bring it on. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Greetings one and all, welcome back. It is day 2, the second day. Sorry, I just messed with the tripod. I'm going to show you another method of making omelets. This is one I don't typically make. This is not the way I normally make them. I actually like making them the way I made them yesterday, where you make the eggs and then you fold the stuff inside. So we're going to make this omelet with all the stuff inside. So I got another round of bacon cooked up. So real pain in the butt with it. I don't have a very big kitchen, so having to work around the tripod is interesting. Yeah. So got that going. I already have my biscuits done. They literally just came out of the oven a moment ago. Got waiting for the heat to come on. I don't really need to cook the bacon because it's already cooked. I just got to warm up the ham. So once that's done, I'll bring it back. Sorry about that. My job keeps calling me. So same thing, just, you know, lift up and drain. If you're wondering what this is, I guess it's off camera, but it's where I pour my grease into. Just a dollar store pan with 2 empty cans. There we go. And just give it a flip. Kill the heat. Crushed black pepper. Make sure you can see that. And just fold it over. And just top with additional cheese. Like that. Same as yesterday, because I really like the taste. A little salsa. Probably just eat it with a spoon. Well, there we have it. One ham, bacon, cheese omelet. Take a bite. Excellent.